Hey there, welcome back. In the last video, we covered positioning, the foundation of all effective marketing. You now have clarity on who you serve, what makes you unique, and how to craft a message that attracts the right audience. But knowing your positioning is just the start. The next step in the PASIM framework is audit. This is where we step back and analyze what's actually working and what's wasting your time, so you stop guessing and start making informed decisions. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever felt like you're doing all the things, posting on social media, running ads, sending emails, but nothing seems to be getting real results? Or maybe you're getting engagement, but it's not translating into sales. That's because not all marketing activities are equal. If you don't take time to audit your marketing, you could be spending hours on things that aren't moving the needle, or worse, burning through your hard-earned cash. Why auditing your marketing is so important. Let me give you an example. I once worked with a business coach who was posting on Instagram daily, running Facebook ads and blogging all at the same time. She was putting in the hours but wasn't seeing the results she expected. She felt frustrated and stuck. When we audited her marketing, we discovered something game-changing. 80% of her leads were coming from LinkedIn. Yet she was spending most of her time on Instagram, where she was getting likes and comments, but no sales. She was busy, but she wasn't being strategic. So we shifted her focus. She started posting more thought leadership content on LinkedIn, engaging in conversations, and optimizing her lead generation there. The result? She doubled her revenue in just a few months without working harder. That's the power of an audit. It helps you cut through the noise and focus on what actually moves the needle. How to audit your marketing in 3 minutes. One of the fastest ways to improve your marketing without wasting months of trial and error is to reverse engineer what's already working. Instead of guessing, you'll analyze successful competitors, find what's working in your industry, and apply those insights to your business. Let's go through the 5-step reverse engineer audit. Step 1, identify your top 3 competitors. Before you improve your marketing, you need to know who's already doing well in your industry. How do you find them? Well, you can start by Googling your industry keywords. Take a look at the business's ranking on the first page, and don't forget to check social media, see who's leading conversations in your space. Use free tools to uncover insights. SimilarWeb can help you find competitor website traffic sources, and Ubersuggest is great for discovering their best performing SEO keywords. Here's an example. A fitness coach finds that 3 top competitors offer free lead magnets, group coaching, and YouTube content that attract high engagement. Step 2, analyze their website and offers. Once you've identified your competitors, you need to break down how they attract and convert leads. Ask yourself, what's their unique angle? Are they serving a specific niche? What are they selling? Courses, memberships, one-on-one coaching? What's their sales funnel? Are they using free guides, webinars, or challenges? An example, a marketing consultant notices competitors offer free audits as lead magnets and then upsell a £297 strategy session. Step 3, deconstruct their content and SEO. Content plays a massive role in marketing success. To audit your competitors, Look at their blogs and website. Which blog topics get the most traffic? What keywords do they rank for? Use SEMrush or Ubersuggest. Are they using storytelling, case studies, or data-driven posts? Example, a business coach sees that How to Become a Leader in 2024 is a top performing blog post in her niche, so she writes a better, more updated version to attract similar traffic. Step 4, check their social media and ads. Now let's look at what's working for your competitors on social media. What content style gets engagement? Is it videos, carousels, or maybe reels? Are they running ads? You can check the Facebook ad library for that. And where is their traffic coming from? Use SimilarWeb to find out. Here's an example. A freelancer finds that competitors get high engagement from LinkedIn storytelling posts and decides to implement the same approach. Step 5, apply the insights to your business. Now that you've reverse engineered your competitors, it's time to use these insights to improve your marketing. Here's what you should do next. Refine your positioning. How can you stand out from competitors? Improve your lead magnet. Make yours better than what's already out there. Test different content formats. What type of content is performing best in your niche? Consider running ads. If competitors are using ads successfully, it may be worth testing. Example, a course creator discovers competitors are using basic checklists as lead magnets. Instead of doing the same, she launches a free email mini course and attracts higher quality leads. Final thoughts, your next steps. Auditing your marketing isn't about copying others. It's about learning from what works and applying it strategically to your business. Stop guessing, start analyzing, double down on what's working, cut out what's not. Fast track your marketing success with data, not assumptions. Now, it's your turn, your action step. Take 5 minutes to identify your top 3 competitors and analyze their marketing. What are they doing well that you can improve upon? Need feedback? Join our Facebook group and share your findings. You'll get insights, support, and guidance to help you apply the PASIM framework effectively. See you in the next video.